Hey guys, I know this is the first time we made a video in a long time. We have a little bit of an update. I haven't really posted much since we sold the 89 F250, but we did sell our 1992 Ford F150, the white one that we did a bunch of work to. That's been my big views on the channel. And we just decided today to go get a new truck. I've been daily driving my Saab 92X all this time now. It has 22,000 miles on it since I've gotten it. But Alex decided that he wanted a truck. He doesn't have a vehicle, he doesn't have a car. Alex is my younger brother, for those who don't know. And I found really on Facebook that there's a guy selling, or really wanting to trade, his 1994 F250 for a boat motor. And well, Alex is into boats as well, and he had a boat motor kicking around that we decided to just offer. We go, hey, we have this 1970s Johnson 40 horsepower boat motor, and would you want it? He responded back, yeah, I'm interested in that. And so we drove up the 70 miles from my house in Kmarkport on the way up to school in Castine, so it was a nice halfway mark. And we brought up the boat motor. He's like, yeah, that's perfect. We went and got the truck. So I am currently following Alex around in the truck. But it does need a lot of work. It's a 94 F250, 351 Windsor, automatic, 410 gears, extended cab, 4x4. Just under 90,000 original miles, and it's very, very sluggish. I'm going up a hill with him right now, and it just dropped from 40 down to 30. And there's a guy behind me in a Honda very upset, but it's all right. We're going to limp it all the way up to Castine. We do need to fix the transfer case linkage, because I asked the guy if he goes into 4x4. He's like, yeah, sure. And then I jumped in, I hit the linkage, and boom, it cracked the connector, I guess. So, a few things to fix. We're going to probably show a little bit of it on the channel, but I think our main goal for this one is to, again, fix it up and sell it. Therefore, we can get Alex a better vehicle to drive back and forth to school in after I graduate in May. So as you can see up ahead of me is Alex in the F250. It's a extended cab, long bed, flatbed truck, but we're just chugging along very slowly. That's all right, and that's really bad exhaust leak, so it sounds sort of like a diesel, sort of funny, but I'll check back in a little bit when we get to something interesting. Alright guys, it's a few days later. I've been busy, and we got the truck back to my house up at school. I no longer live in the dorms because I'm a senior, and we put it in my garage because why not? I have a garage, and we actually don't even use it at my house, even though we live in Maine and it snows. But we decided to put it in the garage, and my brother actually started taking it apart Sunday morning because we got the truck Saturday. And so we got it back here, we shoved it in the garage, didn't touch it. Then Sunday morning, Alex literally woke up before me, knocked on my door, woke me up in my bedroom, saying, hey, can I borrow your car? I'm like, yeah, sure. He goes a mile down our road and picks up some parts for the truck. And I wake up and go downstairs. He goes, yeah, the guy I bought all the truck parts from literally just came by and delivered them all. So he got fenders, he got a transfer case linkage because I managed to break it, as I probably mentioned in the last clip. And yeah, so we have a bunch of stuff to put onto the truck now, but I'm going to give you guys a little once over of our new truck. So hold on one second. So it's a rainy day in Maine today, but that's one of our new fenders. The other one was a lot worse, even though there is that one rust spot you're seeing right there. It does need tires. These automatic locking hubs are cool, but they don't work. So we are trying to find replacements for those. We need to put some shims in the top end of the fender to align it better, but yeah. I got a bunch of parts off of a Ford Bronco. 88,000 original miles on it. My dad was shocked when I told him that. Let's see, did he leave the keys in it? No. I don't know where Alex left the keys, but 88,000 miles. These are some of the comfiest bucket seats Ford has ever made. It has the captain's chairs for the armrest, the back seat. The heat works really well, power windows and everything. Right here, this big metal galvanized steel I-beam, that was on the front bumper. And we decided to get rid of that, and we got a front bumper off that Bronco, so that'll be going on. As you can see right there, this is the new bumper. This is the old fender that we took off. You see this? This is paint and Bondo mixed together. That is a giant chunk of Bondo. I'm not sure if you can see it. Lighting's not the best, but this thing was roached. I mean, look at that. It's all the way up to the emblem where there was no structural metal anymore. So there's the other fender. We haven't put that one on yet. I'm currently trying to work out getting some more parts for it. Locking hubs, I said, tires. We need to do something with the cab corner on this side, definitely. It's not that bad for a main truck, but this still needs to be fixed before we do anything. Try to get it stickered. And the exhaust manifold gasket we have, we just need to get to it. The truck barely fits in our garage here. I mean, pulled up right close, and there's someone put a trailer hitch on the very front, so it's just pretty close to the wall up here. So I'm gonna obviously have to paint it some point. We're probably gonna not paint it until we figure out what we're doing. I'm trying to get a lead on a regular bed because I'm honestly not a big fan of the flatbeds. And up here in Maine, a lot of people absolutely love them, so we're going to try to sell or trade it. Other than that, yeah, we did an oil change. It was driving a little rough, as you saw in the video. It was having a hard time shifting, but it hadn't been driven in 6 months. But we changed the oil and it seems to be running a lot better. So stay tuned for this. This is going to be project truck videos. So expect at least paint, tires, wheels, bed, some rust work possibly. So I'm going to try to do it. We don't have a welder here at my house, but we have access at school, which is 16 miles down the road, that we can bring it in on afternoons. So I need to get it registered and lights put back on it so it's drivable. So here's my little update. I'm going to hopefully post this soon. So thanks guys, stay tuned.